This is our arms. They look bloody awesome, to be honest. I do like this a lot. Yeah.
It's going to be well like your bastard.
Yeah. There's no getting away from the fact that sounds awesome. That does. Yeah, 5 or so, you know. The thing is, right, mine sounds amazing, like revving the piss out of it, like, you know, because everyone keeps saying that sounds awesome, and it does. But this sounds just badass. Just
sounds,
yeah. It just sounds like a VR, yeah, exactly that. It just sounds great. It's just a nice side door, and then when you give it some, I like it a lot. Hello, Matthew.
Hello. Not empty. No, probably means it'll run alright.
Yeah.
What's it?
VR6.
Turbo.
Yeah. Of course. The one that, yeah, the one that was up there.
Nice. Sounds nice, heard it that side.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah. Happy days.
I must admit, even with this crappy knackered soft top, the car does look badass. I have to get a hard top though, because although this knackered soft top probably makes it more sleeper, it does look shit. I mean, it's probably fucked. It's only a hard top in the in the most vague sense of the word.
If you're not doing anything else, that awesome cats, which means real engine, real drive, lightweight and matters.
Yeah.
With a proper engine.
Yes.
Right? And sometimes I'm making mistakes. Big mistakes. This is not a big mistake. This is a customer I had for 13, 14 years now. Years ago I promised him that if he needs exhaust on his Porsche, I'm going to do it. Years be passed, I said no more, all the stuff that matters in a workshop. He came back and said, oh, remember that promise? I was going to say no, but he's just too nice of a guy. I said, okay, I'll do it. And then I remembered, already did exhaust, including exhaust manifolds on a twin turbo one. This is an A. And it was a nightmare. Not because of the spaghetti you have to build and close the space. It's because the rust will have, I'll show you. This, I just have to text you, like, I texted, so this is going to be much more. It's a nightmare to remove the exhaust. Hope he's going to pull it off. No, we love the car, whatever it takes, do it. Shit. Anyways, so, besides stuff like this is external. We have to chop it off anyway, so I'm not worried about this. I've seen this before. I've seen this when I call the car, etc, etc. I didn't see what's inside. The problem is, if you come over here, from this side, show that bolt over there.
Oh.
From the exhaust manifold.
There is nothing.
Yeah, exactly. So I removed loads of them, obviously. That's already snapped, that's already snapped. That's too small, and that is too small to even get any type of sockets. This needs to be, this may come off, this probably not. These are seized, so yeah, this side is already done. I removed them. This was much less rusty than that side. So yeah, most of this stuff is cutting off. The problem is they will snap like this one here. So now I have to hopefully weld the nut on this, get some heat into it, and it will come off from the cylinder head. Otherwise, drilling in a cylinder head will be extremely risky. This would be cylinder head off.
Yes.
And put it in the mill machine and do it properly, or at least on a pillar drill, precision one.
Let's hope.
So it's a very risky stuff. So the thing is, people say, your stuff is over-engineered, blah, 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 using stainless, but it should be, you know, remember when I said it's actually stupid doing lifetime stuff. Even big companies like this don't do it.
No.
Because they're not stupid.
On purpose, yeah.
Exactly. You're going to come back to them. If I give you exhaust manifold or arms or whatever we do in stainless, they're going to last over 1,000 years. So we're not worried about how durable it is. You don't even polish, even then they don't use it.
Yeah.
This is stainless, this is 304 stainless. This is what I was talking about. The 304, it doesn't look as good as our stuff because it developed this kind of like a patina effect, which is rust in surface because it's not so resistant to heat. Bolts, why they're mild? They're under the car. This is the first thing hitting obviously the salts and water. And every time on a Porsche is exactly the same story. I don't know why they haven't changed it so far. I mean, it's not a cheap car.
It's not a cheap car. I mean, this is a GT3 as well, so
Yeah.
it's not like it's a rubbish one. I mean, look, they come
Stuff
with
is
coilovers. They come with big ass brakes. You
These
know,
are
it's-
what, ceramic carbon mixture. I don't know what it is.
yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't realise they're ceramics. Yeah,
So
Yeah.
you know, this stuff is
it's a
expensive.
serious car. Yeah.
I mean,
But then
I don't think they will struggle if they spend £5 more on stainless steels and bolts.
And it's not like they're messing about because I mean, look at the support bracket there and all
Yeah.
that. They really.
Oh, don't
Proper-
ask me what you have to do to get the exhaust off.
I can imagine.
The
It's funny because just looking at this, I'm like, the manifolds are probably the easier job than the exhaust.
yeah. If the bolts come off, this side I managed to. This I have to cut it off on this side.
Yeah.
That side was so rusty free. I was lucky because I removed 2 bolts out of 3. The third one was so rusty I just put it off and it just come off. That one now we have to. On this side I have to remove the whole section in order to separate the exhaust manifold from the rest of the exhaust.
Yeah.
Honestly, you know what? I should say, take it to Mark, even remove the exhaust and then come back to me.
It's funny. I remember.
Mine would probably come in soon. So.
Yeah, he would. Yeah, he wouldn't want to know. I mean, a mate of mine's, he had, I think it was a 996 as well, and he took it to Porsche to get. No, he took it to Porsche to get an MOT, and the exhaust had a small hole in it, so they replaced it. I think it was 2.5. It was only obviously the rear section.
Yeah.
I think it was like £2,500–3,500. It was something ridiculous for a standard. And you could have patched it up for 10 minutes. It wasn't like bad. It literally was nothing.
I definitely underquoted this job.
Yeah.
Besides this, the complications.
Yeah.
You know, well, the thing is, you know me, I don't care if it's a 500 quid car or if it's a £500,000 car. My job is my job, has its value. However, that's not the way you do a business, and I know. But anyways, the exhaust on this is gonna be forever.
Yeah.
Because you're using the same grade 316 stainless. We don't have to use any flexes because these don't use flexes. The exhaust is completely mounted on the engine. The cylinder head, they carry these mounts. They are hard mounted to the silencers. There's some kind of vibrations removal kind of like techniques here, but this nothing. This is probably, I don't know what it is, but it doesn't even have to be there. You know, all the rest is just hard mounted. So everything is 316. It's gonna live forever. Well, the car is gonna be scrubbed before the exhaust is gonna be need to be removed. People should do it first thing. You get the Porsche, brand new. Everything comes off. Take it off, sell it, bin it because it's good for scrap. Replace all the bolts with the stainless.
Well, that's the thing. If you did it immediately, it would
No
cost very little, and you'd have no problems forever because,
Absolutely.
you know, all the aluminium stuff and whatever lasts forever.
What's
It's
the
a
time?
good
3
solid.
o'clock? 3 o'clock now?
At least half-free, I think.
Yeah, I put this on the RAM this morning. I'm not even halfway through to removing the exhaust.
Yeah.
It's madness.
Yeah.
Madness. Good luck. These exhausts actually, the silencers, they actually go up higher. Take the picture from. Show them.
I thought it looked funny. Oh
You
Christ!
see?
Yeah.
They are taller than actually with. So the new silencers, they're gonna go from the bottom up, go back, and then we're gonna go to the exit. Because we're gonna do you want a 3-inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit bigger. I'm not sure if we're gonna go 3 inch, to be honest. I think we missed about 2.5. This is an 3 inch mason, a bit too loud.
Twin, probably. We'll have to have a look.
You know, because you've got 3 cylinders on one side, a little converter, but there's plenty of bends. There's one bend here, an S. A bend is going to be another 90 here to go into the silencer. From the side, it's going to be 180 to go back, another 90 here. Each bend removes the noise.
Yeah.
The problem with the NA, we don't have a turbo as a silencer. Turbo is the best of the silencer you get because it removes the raspy metallic noise and gives you that deeper noise.
Yeah.
This is an A, so this is what we have to do really, really careful. Because, you know, if you don't like it,
yeah,
they may as well do it, just do it again.
Exactly,
different.
exactly.
I don't want to do it.
No,
no matter how much they pay, I don't want to do it. We're too busy with this stuff.
No, exactly. 295s, they ain't shy, are they?
This is, besides being 18s, this is what I want here.
Yeah.
Just smaller diameter.
Ideal.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Bit of a nightmare.
Bit of a nightmare. But it's lunchtime now, so it's all good.
Haven't done this kind of job for a long time, and
You remember why now?
I remember why I'm not doing this anymore. It's a good reminder. Anyways, so frame, test one tomorrow.
Yeah? Yeah, I'm going to message you in a minute actually and say, look, is it going to be around tomorrow? Because if so, Thomas can come tomorrow. So.
I don't think it's going to be in the morning, whatever, but we're going to test it, we're going to assemble one with the new tolerances and all that stuff to suit them. And then,
We're good.
oh, okay, I think next day they're going to have it. Probably going to have the arm stuff as well, because people are ordering arms already.
Yeah, they want it, so.
Yeah.
Good
All right.
times.